round 2. Took some pictures for the calendar for 2025. Make one for my sister and a lady I used to work with, and myself. I put in my office, so of my adventures. I thought I was going to make calendars for people. You're not going to buy them, but they're not cheap to make. I mean, they're fun to make, but people aren't going to buy my calendars. I look back and I put them up in my office where I've been all year long. Fun to do it. Kind of tell where it's been kind of water kind of comes up here. I'm trying to rake up all these leaves. God. Yeah, the river's down, man. The old mighty Mo. Down big time. Hi. I do. Hi. Hi. How are you? How are you? How are you? What's his name? Okay. Oh, good dog. Came over. Oh, you can see some tadpoles down there, so it must feed from somewhere, and then it feeds in the mighty Mo. So yeah, it's beautiful down here. It's cool as hell. She thought we'd be boring. I said, no. I said, it'd be probably fun down here. So, yeah, people still, they think they're going to make money, get monetized. Who's that one guy? Drama Rehab, remember him? Me and Dave talked on the phone one day about 4 years ago. Like, you're not going to make, you get monetized all you want. Doesn't mean diddly squat. People like drama. They don't like anything like this. These get what they get, and I appreciate it. My boat show ones were getting over 100. I did get an email from a boat company thanking for the love. They wanted to use a couple clips. I go ahead for something. I said, go ahead. Shame, garbage. Yeah, I was down here, 2-3 years ago. We were coming down here in the fall. Kind of show you guys what it looks like. I was down in the summertime. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like that one place, I've been there, Hidden Creek. I'd go there. If I lived out there, I'd go there all the time with my dogs. This is a great place for the dogs, walking. Just kind of, you could bring down third, second, fourth graders and walk around, point things out, trees and whatever else. Yeah, pretty slow at the airport. Not too busy. Fall walk. Oh, that's some good firewood over there. Remember when they had a big blowdown up in the Barn of Canarias, PWCA? They wouldn't let them take all the old trees out, and they had a big fire. Let them harvest them. Make sure that's all they take. You gotta clear out that underbrush. It's kind of a cool. Big ass tree. Down she went. Old. Came right off of that bad boy. You could make a. I was watching Friday the 13th. The second one, a little bit was on TV. Halloween just came and went. When you think about Halloween, man, it just gets overdone. Carpetbagger, Daily Woo, Chris the Girl, all these people, it's all they do. And I like Halloween. It snowed here, unfortunately. The goose and goblins were, unfortunately. Big root over there, you can kind of see. My favorite place to walk is you go down to the Minnesota. I've been over there a couple times, different times of the year. That's a cool place to walk around down there. Old Shockley Road. You can walk across the river and very nice. Gives you kind of an idea in the fall here. I mean, snow's coming. I'm looking forward to it. I like the snow. Oh, yeah, ouch. Oh, it's just a bug or something. What the hell was that? But yeah, it's good firewood down here, right? One thing I like about this DJI battery, I can get like 5 videos out of it. I brought the other one launch in case, but the battery lasts a lot longer. I like my GoPro 10, but these batteries last a lot longer than the GoPro 10. They get hot real easy. So, but got the microphone. Did a couple, you guys saw the ones, just killing some time. The driver edge did a few of them for Crushing for Christ for, what's his name again, Sarasota Tim. There's a lot of people that just hated that guy, man. I guarantee you during some windstorms, some, what do they call them? They call them widowmakers. There was a one lady I've talked before. I was in Miller Park a long time ago in the wintertime one time. She was jogging in Miller Park over where I used to work at International Hair Goods, and just jogging along and a tree fell over and killed her. She's like in her 40s or something. That was a shame. I looked that up. It was a shame. Nice young lady, just jogging along. Tree comes down on her and kills her, unfortunately. It's your time to go, it's time to go. There was also, I was listening to this one guy, he's a psychiatrist, and I guess there was some snake guy. I guess he liked to play with snakes. Bit him and killed him, trying to be a, there was a one guy who got stabbed. He was 40, both the same age, but he was a snake guy, effing with snakes. Like that bear guy that got eaten. It's like, I get wild animals, they're cool, but you don't F with snakes. This kind of reminds me of the Trees of Mystery. There's something like this they have, and people get buried in it, so you could have a little, they would do that. So Trees of Mysteries is really cool. I want to get out there someday before I die. You can kind of tell where this kind of snakes around down here. Very nice. Very Surreal. Very interesting to say the least. Anyways, guys, so kind of like round two, and we'll just keep on going. But appreciate the view. Everything else. Hope your summer's going well. Had a good 4th of July. It's when my dad died, but hopefully I'm still alive by then, and we can keep on going on the Adventure Channel. I know boat show probably came and went. Hope I went to that, and camping show and car show, which I like to go to. You know, State Fair I didn't do man last year. Just it's you've seen that once. You know, I don't know if I'll videotape it again. If I do, it's just something small. So, anyways, guys, walking around Mother Nature on a beautiful day on the 2nd day of November. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys on the next one.